Today in this video I am going to show you a very classic indulgent Indian delicacy which is very addictive too. So I'll not give much suspense. Today I am going to show you a very popular Sindhi food, that is dal pakwan. The recipe is pretty simple, though it involves a lot of hard work, rolling, cutting, impressions and all, lot of work to be done. You can have it as breakfast also and brunch also. So let's start. So the ingredients for dal pakwan are 1 cup chana dal, I have washed it, 1 chopped onion, 1.5 cup wheat flour, some tamarind paste, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon ajwain, 1 teaspoon jeera, some slit green chilies 3 to 4, hing, salt, turmeric and red chili powder, some oil and chilled water. So firstly what we'll do, we'll take a bowl and add flour to it. Add little salt to it and ajwain. Take it between your palms, rub it little and then add. Mix it well. Use chilled water to make a dough. Before that, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. This oil should mix well in your flour. Now using chilled water, make dough. Now our dough is absolutely ready. Cover it with a wet cloth for 15 to 20 minutes. Heat some oil in a kadhai and make small balls out of dough. Roll each ball into a thin disc like we do it for chapati. You can see these tiny black specks in my flour. So this is flax seeds. I always add flax seeds in my flour. Now, using lid of a ball, cut it into a round disc. You can see how thin my chapati is. And using a fork, make small holes in this. Repeat the same process with rest of the balls also. Keep pressing it. It should be absolutely flat and crispy. Should not be like puris. You can see nice color is coming. Like this, our pakwan is ready. Now we'll prepare our dal. Add chana dal. Slit green chilies, ginger, garlic, hing, salt, turmeric and red chili powder and some chopped onions. I have taken one onion. Add some water to it. So you can see I have not added any tomatoes to it because we'll be adding tamarind paste also in the end. Mix it well and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you can see our dal is absolutely ready. You can see the consistency of dal. Should not be very thick also. So now time to temper the dal. For tempering, heat a pan. Add some oil. Add jeera. Some red chilies and hing. Add it to the dal. The dal pakwan is absolutely ready. Our dal pakwan is absolutely ready to be served. Time to do plating now. Take pakwan in a plate. Spread dal over it. Some onions. Green chilies, bit of imli chutney. If you want, you can add this chutney in dal also, and some dhania chutney. And your pakwan is ready to be enjoyed.